welcome back to the channel. I've been waiting all day for my 16-inch 2021 MacBook Pro to come. I got the model with the new M1 Max chip, 32 gigs of unified memory, and a terabyte hard drive. So basically it's the base model of the M1 Max chip. And here we go. I had much grander plans for this unboxing. I was going to make it look a lot nicer than just sitting on the floor, but UPS was 2 hours late, so here we go. 2 hours late and at the top of the delivery window. It was awesome. I am replacing my current 2018 MacBook Pro because it's a thermal mess. It gets really hot when you're using it hard. But here we go. Let's take the lid off this bad boy. All right. We'll come back to this in just a second. Ooh, wow. It does feel thicker. Kind of like it though. It feels more important than the skinnier one did. You get the information packet here that has the quick start guide, it looks like. Yep. And some other information. Somewhere in here there's supposed to be stickers. Aha! Black stickers that come with this model. Very, very nice. This is the 140 watt power adapter. It's the first gallium nitrate power adapter, so it's smaller than a conventional 140 watt power adapter would be. I did say 140, right? Yeah, it's 140. And yeah, so fast charging, 50% in 30 minutes. That's exciting. I didn't think the old MacBook was particularly slow, but this will be even more impressive, I'm sure. Let's open this bad boy up. One thing I was really sad to see go on the 2018 model when I got it was MagSafe. Before my 2018, I had a 13-inch MacBook Air that had the MagSafe come with it when they still had that, and I was really genuinely disappointed to see it go, so it's super exciting to have it back. Wow, this is quite the packaging contraption here. All right. So yeah, you get a braided cable this year with the MagSafe. It just feels really good. It feels quality, and it just feels like it's not going to break. I like it. So that's pretty much everything that came in the box with it. Now let's go for the gravy. Let's cut this bad boy open, or pull it open. Oh, I love the imprint on the bottom. It looks really nice, very professional looking. That's why they call it a Pro laptop. And there's the blacker Apple logo for this year. Ta-da! And so next, as soon as I get everything booted up and set up, I'll do a test of the front-facing web camera that's supposed to be improved for this year, and I'll slip that into the video here. Hey, so I've had the opportunity to use the laptop for a couple hours now, since last night and all through the afternoon and today. This is the first time I'm using the front-facing camera, so it'll be interesting to see how the quality translates once I clip it into the main video. I think this is a fairly challenging lighting environment with the light from the window over here and the red background. So, you know, in my viewfinder here, it looks pretty decent quality, but just a couple things to note now that I've had a little bit of time to use it. The keyboard feels great. I didn't mind the butterfly switches on my 2018 MacBook, but these feel way better. They feel like they have way more travel. They're softer. They're quieter, more importantly. It sounded like a train when I was typing on my old one. It'd be like click, 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 click. The screen is unbelievable. It's like looking at a painting. It's just such high quality, and resolution looks great. The battery life is crazy. I've done a software update on it. I did a pretty heavy session of web browsing earlier, and it's barely budged off 100% battery. So it's pretty crazy. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys that little update. Give the video a thumbs up. Click subscribe down below so that you don't miss future updates about it. Thanks for watching.